Determiners.
This is the chocolate I wanted to buy. What is special about this chocolate? It has many nuts. Will you give me a piece to taste? Sure. This is good, but my chocolate is better. Which chocolate do you have? I have dark chocolate. I don't like that.
In the dialogues, Sam and Dolly have used words that give specific meaning to the nouns that follow and also give more details about them. The words the, this, many, a, my, which are examples of determiners. Definition. Determiners are placed before nouns to give specific meaning to the nouns. A determiner functions to provide particular details about the noun that follows it. Let us look at a few sentences. Harish wants to meet the owner of that house. I borrowed an umbrella from my friend. Whose book is this? In the first sentence, the and that are determiners, since they specify a particular person and point out a particular house. In the next sentence, an and my are determiners, since they give some information about the thing borrowed and also tell from whom it was specifically borrowed. In the third sentence, whose is it determiners, since it precedes a noun and asks something specifically about it. Here is a list of some determiners. Articles: a, an, the. Demonstrative: those, these. Possessive: their, your, his, her. Interrogative: what, which. Quantifiers: few, several. Articles:
It is raining. I need an umbrella.
take any of the umbrellas kept here.
Mother, please buy me a raincoat today. I get wet even after using the umbrella.
All right, Akshat. We will go to the market today and buy you a raincoat. In the dialogues, the boy and the mother have used words that give information about the nouns that follow and make it clear whether something general or specific is being mentioned. The words a, an, the are the examples of articles. Definition. An article precedes a noun in a sentence and tells us something about the noun, that is, whether the noun is something particular or not. Article A is used for something that is singular and not specific. It is used with consonants. Article an is also used with something that is singular and not specific, but can be used only with vowels. Article the is used with something that is definite and specific. It can be used with both singular and plural. It can be used with both vowels and consonants. Let us look at a few sentences. Zeenat is going to the hospital. Gauri eats an apple every day in the morning. Beena has just bought a car for herself. In the first sentence, the is an article and it refers to a particular hospital. In the next sentence, an is an article and refers to any single apple. In the third sentence, A is an article and refers to a single car which is not specific. There are only three articles in English: a, an, the. Demonstrative determiners. Do you come for a walk every day in this park? No, I come here sometimes, and at other times I go to that park. Those girls come every morning for a walk. I don't enjoy walking in summers. Yes, these days are very hot for an enjoyable walk. In the dialogues, Meera and Nina have used words that give information about the nouns that follow by pointing specifically at them. The words this, that, those, these are examples of demonstrative determiners. Definition. Demonstrative determiners precede a noun and point at it specifically. This and that point at a singular noun. These and those point at plural nouns. This and these refer to a noun or nouns nearby in time and space. That and those refer to a noun or nouns far away in time and space. Let us look at a few sentences. This house is very airy. Those children are making a lot of noise. That girl has stopped her class. In the first sentence, this is a demonstrative determiner as it points towards a particular house close by. In the next sentence, those is a demonstrative determiner as it points at few specific children playing some distance away. In the third sentence, that is a demonstrative determiner as it points at a specific girl who is not close by. There are only 4 demonstrative determiners in English: this, that, these, those. Interrogative determiners.
I have some good news for you. What news have you got? Mother and father have decided to gift you a car. Whose idea was it to gift me a car? It was my idea. Thanks. Which color is it? It is red.
In the dialogues, the girls have used words that ask questions about the nouns that follow. The words what, whose, which are examples of interrogative determiners. Definition. Interrogative determiners are placed before nouns and ask questions about the nouns that follow. There are only 3 interrogative determiners. Let us look at a few sentences. Which burger would you like to have? What options do we have? Whose purse is kept on the table? In the first sentence, which is an interrogative determiner since it asks something about the noun burger that follows. In the next sentence, what is an interrogative determiner since it precedes the noun options and asks a question about it. In the third sentence, whose is an interrogative determiner since it is used before the noun purse and asks something specifically about it. Here is a list of interrogative determiners: whose, which, what. Possessive determiners.
Hey Donald, is that my notebook? Actually, no. This is my notebook. Your notebook is with someone in Gauri's group. Are you sure nobody from our group has it? Yes, I'm sure. I think someone from her group has taken it. I will go and ask them after their games class is over.
In the dialogues, Tasha and Donald have used words that give information about the nouns that follow in terms of possession. The words my, your, our, her, their are examples of possessive determiners. Definition: possessive determiners are placed before nouns to give specific meaning to the nouns regarding possession. Let us look at few sentences. Asha went to his house yesterday. Your sister is very beautiful. What is its color? In the first sentence, his is a possessive determiner since it shows possession of the house by someone specific. In the next sentence, your is a possessive determiner since it precedes a noun and shows possession. In the third sentence, its is a possessive determiner since it is followed by the noun color and gives information of possession about the noun. Here is a list of possessive determiners: my, your, her, his, its, our, their,